Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Little bit? Little? My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. And I really like your style. You have a giant clock. So I was just wondering, can I take a photo of you?
Yes.
Yeah? Can I share my Instagram real quick?
Yes.
So my name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. So I just go around taking photos of people.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I post it so that they can see it. It's completely free. Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Leila.
Leila? And?
Anna.
Anna. Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, yeah, we can start with you.
Yes.
So, what is that? Oh, it's a purse.
Sac à main.
Ok, j'ai jamais vu un truc pareil. J'ai dit, wow, ok, c'est génial. Have yes, like that. And maybe you look like this. Yes. Hold it. Oh, ça va? Voilà, comme ça. Oh, comme ça, oui, super. 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 Regarde par ici.
C'est trop belle. Incroyable. J'ai pas l'habitude vraiment.